Okay, these are the Turtle Beach 700 Generation 3. And I had a customer come in today having a charging issue. There's no voltage getting to the charging port itself. So this is just a little quick disassembly guide for this side only. I'm not going to do both. But most of the time you pry up the ear cup, but on this one you just take it off. And you will have Phillips screws. You have a set of 4 that need to be taken off. So we're going to do that now. Set these to the side and keep them together. Alright, I'm pretty sure, yep, this comes up so that you can choose a pry tool. Be very gentle. I've actually never been in these, so I'm not sure what's inside or how it's connected. Oh, there we go. Alright, so when you do pry open, be careful because this connection right here and the charging port is on the board. And here's the battery, so if you ever needed to do a battery replacement, that looks pretty simple. It's connected right here. So I just wanted to show you very quickly how to get into this 700 Turtle Beach Generation 3 series. This is the Cobalt Blue that's made for the Xbox.